If you're looking for a reliable HVAC contractor near you in San Antonio, Texas, look no further than A1 AirPros. We have over 15 years of experience in the heating and cooling business that we can put to work on just about any make or model system you have. We sell brand name systems from some of the best manufacturers in the industry, including Goodman, Trane, and Carrier. Not only do we sell HVAC systems, but we also service them. We offer installation, repair, maintenance, and tune-up services for your comfort indoors while at work and home. To ensure you stay nice and comfortable indoors year-round, call the experts from A1 AirPros today for service you can count on. A1 AirPros.